So hi Gundy, it's Tyler here, and I'm just shooting this quick video just to give you a little bit of an update on where we stand with the website. So I know that it's been a few months now, and we're just sort of rolling with our online promotion. So I wanted to just show you some of the work, or discuss a little bit about the work, and then just discuss the process moving forward. So here's the website itself. Obviously, you've been on it and you've checked it out. And so the actual website is built and it's indexed in Google. And for you to just kind of see that, you can just do a type in the word site and then the GR Renovations.ca. And this will indicate that Google has indexed all our pages. There's our home page, our remodeling kitchen, our kitchen page, flooring page, bathroom page, and so forth. So all those pages are indexed, which is good. So the website build is done, and now what we're doing is sort of working on the back end. And I'll show you this one tool, where this tool, I'm not going to get into too much detail, but I'll just sort of show you and highlight a few easy to understand numbers. This tool reads how Google sort of reads your website. So you can build a brand new site like we have, but unless we do any of the promotion work, which we're doing, if you don't do any of that, then basically your website just is static and no one finds it unless they come directly to it. So we want people to find it in Google. So basically we need to give Google the signals that, GR Renovations is about home renovations in Kitchener and so forth. So here you can see over the past 3 months, some of the stats, and just recently at the end of May is when Google's picked up on the work that we've done. So at the moment, there are 20 other websites that are linking to us, which is good. However, sometimes these take a while to kick in, and they take a while to actually build every month. So that's the number where we are right now. And just to give a rough sort of idea, a competitor of yours would be Westmount Craftsman. You can see here they have 65 other websites linking to them. So that's a ballpark number of sort of where we want to go. And every month the payments come in, and we just use that to do the monthly promotions. And every month we build more and more of these sort of external websites linking to us. So they've got about 65. We've got about 20. That's an easy way to sort of look at it. It's a bit more complicated than that, but that's sort of where we are. And then every month we build up and do those promotions that are all related to home construction, home building, and whatnot. Now, to track all this, we've got a tracker here, and these are some of the terms that we are tracking. So you can see here that Google's just starting to understand what the website is about. This is for Kitchener home renovation. So it's picked up just recently, the end of May here. We're at position 89 and position 93 there. But some of the other terms which are a bit better, we'll look at basement renovation. So you can see here back in April, Google noticed that our website was about that, and we're ranked 47. And then you can see here as the months go by, they drop a bit and then they jump back up. So here in the beginning of May, we're at 46 for basement renovation Kitchener. And then here at the end of May, we jumped up to, or back up to around 43. Some of the other terms as well, home remodeling Kitchener. You can see that here, sort of the end of April, we started at 82, and then just at the end of May here, we've jumped from 88 all up to 60 or so. So this is just standard rankings for brand new websites like this that have just been up for a few months. You're going to hover in like the 60s, the 40s, and then once all the work that we're doing every month sort of slowly kicks in and we get this up from 20 to 30 and 40, then suddenly we'll see we've jumped from position 40 up to position 20, and then we're slowly creeping up to rank the website on page 1 for home renovation type of terms. So wanted to just get that out to you. I'll let you know where we stand. And from here on out, every month, we're just constantly putting that budget towards promotion and building up the authority of the website within, or how Google looks at it. So I just wanted to get that out to you, Gundy, and I hope that you sort of found this useful. So have a great weekend, and I'll keep you posted over the coming weeks. Take care.